Alright, this is day 2 of the demo. We ripped up all the tile. Meant to get that earlier. Ripped the cabinets off. What else we did? What else y'all did? What else was right here? Just a cabinet sink. Huh?
Just the cabinets in the sink?
Yeah, so ripped the cabinets, it was a sink right there. And more cabinets right here, ripped that up. This was all tile. Moved the refrigerator out the way. There's tile over there in the laundry room. We had to also demo the bathroom, which it was toilet. Oh no, the vanity was right here. Dang, that's leaking. Ripped the tub out, toilet, and then it was ripped all the drywall out. Start kind of did a little bit yesterday and reinstalled new drywall. Removed a fixture. Tile right here. Had to rip that up. This is the second bathroom. We had to rip up. We also got to rip this drywall out too, because it's molded on the back. And then there's a toilet and vanity and faucet. But yep. And I'll show y'all as we go what it's gonna look like. All right. This is day 3. Got most of it cleaned up. It's gonna be this wall right here. It's getting knocked out, and it's gonna be the new wall where this where these spaces is. It's gonna be a new wall right there, and this laundry room will be extended out, and we're gonna have like an island right here. And then once we frame the new walls, we're gonna re-drywall it. We got the new shower right here. Gotta install that. So we have the drywall mud in now, and we gotta replumb down here. I should have brought my light in here. Gotta replumb down here, install the new shower fixtures, and yesterday we finished in this bathroom. We just gotta mud it today and retexture all the walls, and that's pretty much it. It's day 3, so I'll show y'all progress each day in the morning. But yeah, if you'd like to see anything in particular, leave it in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, subscribe. But yeah, show y'all as we go later on today. We're gonna be ripping down this wall as well. Ripping both these out. Oh. Oh man. All up. Put this wall out. Drywall in. Update. I'm in here mudding and taping right now. Got the first coat, not done yet. Just giving y'all a quick little update. Yeah, got it cleaned up, getting ready for the floors. Gonna get painted. You boys in here doing HGTV demolition style right here. Got power, man. Zap. Game footage right here. Saw this. So this is where the new drywall gonna be at right here. I gotta get that game footage. Yeah, can't get the copyright now. Trenches with it. Oh, watch out for that pipe.
You gotta be delicate. It's gotta be delicate in these situations like that.
Delicate, man. Dude. Oh, I was wondering why I was cold in here because the window up.
It ain't cold in here.
was Tom right here. Tom. Hold on. Hello? Oh, damn. That been one of your cord.
Ah, you using the gold and shit.
Hey, Mr. Dale, it wasn't your cord. Can't do it now. But yeah. One record. It's on now.
It's on now?
It's on now. I think it's on.
Recording?
Yeah, Brother Jones, HGTV, something. Damn, click. There we go.
Look up, Marlon. Say cheese.
Yeah. Wait, y'all only had one hammer? I got my chip. We got my chip.
I don't bar.
Get the deck. Gonna get the deck and the rebar.
That crazy for real. You just gotta watch out that bitch, cause that bitch the 5th degree black belt, man. That bitch the 5th
Oh, damn.
black belt. I call Robert. I say Robert. That bitch to keep trees and make them bitch make pine cones fall out top on.
What?
My sister, they hit my baby mama, baby daddy. There was a $1 million nigga, man. They got it there the other day, yesterday. Wasn't it Rob yesterday? They got about $1.45 house full of fucking money. Thing make niggas hot as this nigga doing it.
What you doing right there, Tom? What's that called?
Milking the cow. Edging.
What's the name of that tool?
Edging.
Spell it.
E-G-R.
All right, man. Hey, if y'all want to learn how to spell, you gotta subscribe to his channel. He got a little kids channel. What's that little boy on YouTube? Make do them tour.
Got you work harder.
All right, hey. All right, well, this is day, what day this is? Day 5. This is day 5. Yeah, got the drywall up here now. Got the door installed. Prepping the drywall. Still gotta do this right here. Moving the electrical, moving that plumbing. And then once you do all that, we'll put the drywall in right here. Boy, and got the drywall up here. Still gotta put the corner bead right there. Got this back covered up, prepping it to get painted. And we had the shower the new walk-in shower installed right here. I gotta re-pipe this to put it right. Gotta put, still prepping in here. Gotta put another coat, one more coat some places and re-sand it. And that'll pretty much be it. Yeah, it's coming along.